Welcome guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how easy you can pair your Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 with your MacBook Pro. So at first you have to open the case of the FreeBuds and you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50% before the pairing. At the bottom you will find the USB-C input. So open them. When this green indicator is up, it means that everything is fine. And you can start with the pairing method. So on the right side on the case, you can find the pairing button. You have to click and hold it. Oh, sorry guys. You have to click and hold it until this indicator inside starts blinking on white color. After that you can release. Don't close this case. Keep it open and then simply open the Bluetooth settings on your MacBook. Enable with this switcher and then smoothly move for the Bluetooth preferences. Right here we have to wait until they will pop on the devices list, so just be patient. Okay, here they are. Select connect. As you can see, we are connected. So the last thing, we can go for the main settings, go for the sound, and right here just take a look if they are selected. Sometimes it still stays on the MacBook Pro speakers, and the same with the input, it stays with this MacBook Pro microphone. So yeah, as you can see right here, we can pair them very easy. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.